Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set profitable shipping profiles on Etsy seller. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to go and log in into your Etsy seller account. Once you tap open your Etsy seller account, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open to your accounts like shop manager and go to your settings option. So once you're here, you can simply go and tap on your shipping addresses. And once you're in the shipping addresses as well, you need to tap on create profile. Once you create your profile, you can configure your profile by specifying the origin country, processing time, and shipping destinations. Now you can choose between like a fixed or calculated shipping and set prices that cover all costs. Once you have done this, include materials and labor plus a profit margin when calculating as well. And you can also create shipping upgrades and name the profile for easy management. Then apply the profile to your listing and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.